Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, a little bit of everything with Erin. Today I went out and bought some of the Cricut Infusible ink. You guys have been asking about this, if it works, how to use it, so we're going to do a quick tutorial on that today. In the box you get two 12 by 12 sheets of the Infusible ink. It's pretty expensive, I'm not going to lie. So this box, which has one sheet of this rose color design and then one sheet of the actual rose color itself, was $12.99. Now there are some other ones that with different patterns that were $17.99, and there's some that just come in a box with just a plain color instead of a design. Again, those were about $12.99. So it'll depend on the design, but if you look at on the box, it will show it. You can only purchase these at Michael's or online at the Cricut website. Okay, so we're actually going to go over to the computer and get our design set up first, because there are some things that you need to know to cut this properly. Okay, so first you want to grab your design. I'm actually using one from craftbundles.com. They have a new bundle pack out called the Sweet Surprise Bundle. This one is $9. Make sure you use my code Erin20 and you'll save 20% off on checkout. I really thought this one would be cute for the shirt that I have with the design that we're going to use. I am so in love with these antlers, and this hot air balloon is just so cute. So we're probably going to use one of these. I'm just not sure which one I'm going to do. I'm kind of drawn to this one here in the middle. But I did want to show you that really quick, and I will link that down in the description box below for you. So I'm taking that SVG from Craft Bundles and I'm just pulling it into my computer here, and I'm placing it on my mat. And I want to go ahead and make the design about that big. I like how that looks. Normally with the infusion ink you do want to mirror your image, but this is exactly the same on both sides, so I don't have to mirror this one. If I was using letters or numbers, or if the image was not symmetrical on both sides, I would definitely mirror it. Again, because of how it is, I'm just going to leave it as is. Now, because we are using something made from Cricut and we're actually using our silhouette, we will have to do a custom cut on this. We won't have the cuts saved to our program. We're going to go to Send, and then under Material, if you click that down, you'll have Add New Material Type, so you can make your own. So we want to make the blade 5. We want to make the speed 4. And we want to make the force 26. And we're going to do one pass. And we're going to save that. And that's just saved as new material. You can put it in there as Cricut Infusion ink or whatever. I'm just going to do that really quick so we have that set. And then you'll just go down under User Defined and click on New Material or whatever you have named it. And then you're going to go ahead and click Send. So I'm going to go ahead and hook mine up to my machine and send that down. Okay, so we have it on our mat and it is cut. I did want to show you that you are putting the image or the color face up. It does have a transfer-like tape on the back. And you will notice that the color is pretty dull. When you heat press this, you'll get more of the actual color that it is. In the box, you also get 2 sheets of parchment paper. If you have a heat press and you have a Teflon sheet, that's fine to use. And it came with this little cloth that I'm not really sure what that was for, but okay. It also said that if you get any moisture on this, it can actually ruin it because this is ink, so you don't want to get that on there. So let's go ahead and show you how to read this now. And I can feel where I have my cuts, so I'm just looking for an end. Alright, so we have that all weeded. We are going to go over to the heat press now. Okay, so I have my press set for 385 degrees. That's a lot hotter than we typically use. The box does say 400 degrees, but it also says it for the Cricut Easy Press. We don't have an Easy Press, so we're going to go ahead and do it at this temperature because I think that will be the safest. And it does say that if there's any moisture, it can ruin the ink. So what we want to do first is just press the shirt and make sure that we're sucking out any moisture that may still be in the cotton polyester blend. That we do that, we want to place our ink sheet on the shirt, and we're putting it so that the design is down. So the sticky side is going to be sitting on the shirt, and the white side of the design will be now facing you. You can put the parchment paper that it came with down on top of it. I'm just going to use one of my Teflon sheets and do that. And then go ahead and press it for 40 seconds. Be careful when you remove the Teflon sheet because this is going to be pretty hot. Then you want to carefully lift the transfer tape up. And then again, carefully take off the white paper now. Now the ink has come off that paper and transferred itself to your shirt. Now it is very pretty on this light blue shirt. Obviously a white shirt would have made it pop more, but I am so happy with how this turned out. I will get some pictures to show you at the end of the video. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my page. Please hit the like button, that really does help me out, and share the video if you'd like to. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Alright guys. As always, happy crafting!